Hey, what's up everybody? Let's draw a dinosaur. Check this out. Get a pencil, get a Sharpie marker or a black marker or some kind of marker, and you can get some colored pencils or crayons or something, and let's do this. Watch, I'm gonna show you how to do this. This is fun. I just figured this out. Here's how you do it. Just shapes, watch. Draw an oval. I'm gonna draw a cute little dinosaur, look. Draw an oval like this. Any kind of oval. You make your own oval. And then right above it, sort of off to the side, draw a circle like this. Okay, draw a circle. And then over here, like right on that edge, draw a square. Watch this, this is gonna be fun. I hope this works. Draw a square right here. Now what do you have to draw? Now I want you to draw another oval, but bigger, like this. Just grow the oval like this. Just make these shapes. Grow the oval like this. I think that's how you do it, like that. Draw the oval. And then over here, draw a triangle. Draw a triangle over here, and then here, down below, draw a rectangle. Watch, we're gonna end up erasing a lot of these lines. So there you go. That's the beginnings of your cute little dinosaur. Now, after you do this, I hope this is in the screen, okay, yeah. After you do this, you have to kind of do this, watch. Darken that line and come around, and then just do that to make a smile and go like this. And give this dinosaur 3 little beautiful freckles. I love them. And then go like this, up like that, and then finish this off, and then go down a little like this. Over here, come in like that, and then go down like this. You see? Darken that line. Then you're gonna erase this stuff. Watch this. Erase the top, and put one eye like that, and then put the other eye outside like that, because that looks so cute. I like the way that looks. So now you're gonna do this and get rid of all this kind of stuff. You don't need that yet. You don't need this anymore. You don't need any of that. Look at this cute little dinosaur. Then you come over here and you go all the way to the triangle like this. And then you start having fun. You just create your own tail. This is the tail of the dinosaur. I'm gonna make the tail go like this, a little lip in the tail, and then I'm gonna have it come up. Now here's where it gets fun. I think, I'm not sure. Erase this so you can start looking at your cute dinosaur. And go like this, watch. Bring this down all the way to the rectangle, like that. Now you're gonna erase some of that rectangle, because you wanna do this. You wanna make it like a paw or something, like, I don't know, just like a paw. It's like the dinosaurs, and I'm gonna give them like a, I'm not gonna do that. I don't know if I wanna do that yet, a claw. It's a cute little claw on his leg. Then I'm gonna erase this. Look at this cute dinosaur. Now you have to figure out the arms. And it's really cool to have it all erased like this. It gives it more depth. And then this, I'm just put a little lip like that, because this is the body. I'm gonna put another leg like this. I'm just gonna do a little line like this, and I'll probably do another claw here. Maybe more than one claw. I don't know, put a couple of claws. And then over here, I'm gonna do just a little blurb like this, a little kind of fun shape like this. This is gonna be the arm on the other side. And over here, just gonna do this kind of fun shape like this. That's his other arm. Then here, I'm gonna do this. Watch what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a small line going up, but I'm squiggling it away from his mouth. And I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna stop. And then over here, I'm gonna do a little triangle. And then do this off the page. Do you see that? It's a balloon. I'm gonna make that red, but not yet. I'm just gonna draw a big balloon. That's the string that this dinosaur's holding. And over here, I'm gonna put a line like this, a little circle, and I'm gonna give him a flower, because this dinosaur likes to hold flowers. Then I'm gonna erase all this stuff around here. So now I have my dino. Then I'm going to take a marker, and I'm going to outline the shape carefully. Make those things. Go like this, go like this, go like this. Go like this. And I'm gonna just outline the whole shape of my cute little dinosaur that I'm so happy that I made. Except I just messed that up, but that's okay. Do this. I'm not gonna worry about the claws just yet, because I'm not sure about the claws. I'm gonna do this. And I'm gonna go like this. This is little arm. This is other little arm. I'm gonna finish them off. Look at this cute little dinosaur. I think I am gonna make the claws, but I'm not sure how many claws you would see on this side. So maybe I'll do like another one there, another one there. It doesn't really matter. And then I gotta be careful with that balloon thing because I wanna make the balloon red, but what color should I make my dinosaur? I'm gonna make my dinosaur this kind of blue color. And now I'm gonna take my colored pencil and I'm gonna color in my dinosaur. Once you Sharpie marker it, then it's like your choice now to color. And look, I'm not gonna color the flower. I'm gonna do this. And I'm gonna keep coloring in my dino. And I'm just gonna color him in. I might actually make him a green blue. I don't know, it's a green dinosaur. That's what they used to be. What color were dinosaurs? Like grayish, so I guess I went with blue. But look, this cute little dinosaur. This whole thing started because I was trying to draw a dinosaur doing ballet and I failed miserably. I don't know how to draw a dinosaur doing the ballet, so I said, maybe the reason I don't know how to draw a dinosaur doing ballet is because I don't know how to draw a dinosaur. So I decided to figure out how to draw a dinosaur and I just kind of came up with this cute little dinosaur. What do you think? You like my dinosaur? I gotta darken the balloon now because I gotta make that red. I want the string to be super light, so I don't know. I guess I'll darken it with the pencil now. Yeah, I'm not gonna do the string and marker because that's too thick. I want it to look like that. And I gotta find a reddish color, but I don't have red, so I'm gonna start with orange. So I'm gonna put orange on my balloon and I'm gonna just make my balloon like scriggle scrabble like this. And I'm gonna keep doing this with all different versions of colored pencils. Little orange in there. I'm gonna get this color. And I'm gonna sort of paint with the colored pencils by making all different colors on my balloon. It just makes it look so much nicer when you do it like this. I'm gonna try to find this kind of weird pinkish purple. It's like a grayish purple. I'm not sure about that color. Oof, I gotta find another one. I gotta go through all my colored pencils. This one, except there's no point on it. Oh, I guess I have a lot. Oh, here we go. Look, I have a lot of colored pencils. Look, this is the one I wanted. This nice red, sharp, beautiful, ready to go. Look at this balloon. It's my dinosaur holding a balloon and a flower. I'm gonna keep the flower white over there, but I'm gonna put like I don't know, some kind of color in the center. Maybe like a little yellow, like a little bit of yellow. Yeah, I want to make the flower dark, but I don't have a thin marker with me, so I'm gonna do that later. Maybe I'll put a little bit of red around the edges because this is such a nice point. And it'll balance nicely with the balloon. And I'm gonna go back to my balloon and do this. And then I'm gonna go, now that I have all these other pencils, if I can find a blue that, look at these nice blues. And you just kind of use your colored pencils and lightly shade your dinosaur. He's kind of cute. I like that his eyes is floating out. It's kind of fun. There's a lot of pencil work in this one, so I think I should erase some of that. I'm gonna get an eraser, if I can find one. Most of these erasers are chewed up. Where's an eraser? Here's an eraser. And I'm gonna erase some of that pencil work so that I can get more blue in there. Look, this is nice. And I'm not gonna give him a floor yet. I might put grass there, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm gonna end this video because I have to go pick up Lachlan. And I hope you like this dinosaur and I hope you draw one. It's fun to do and it's something to do. All right, that's it. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna keep shading him and then I'm going to pick up Lachlan and then I'm going to try to figure out how to make this dinosaur do ballet because Jack gave me this idea to draw a dinosaur doing ballet and I'm desperately trying to figure out how to do it. Now that I know how to draw a dinosaur, maybe I'll be able to do that. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.